Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing your device. Open the Google app or long press Home to launch Assistant. Once done, allow microphone and location permissions so voice detection works reliably. Next, sign into your Google account to sync settings and devices. Make sure to pick your activation method, say, "Hey Google," or use the Assistant button. This gets you past setup and into live listening quickly, so you can start issuing commands without extra steps. You now move into executing and customizing commands. Start with practical phrases. Call Mom, send text to Alex, or navigate to 123 Main Street. Then set up routines for morning or commute tasks so multiple actions run with one phrase. Make sure to train voice match so Assistant recognizes you, and select preferred music or navigation apps in settings. If accuracy matters, adjust language preferences and microphone sensitivity to reduce errors. You finish by verifying the results. Check recent activity in your Google account to confirm commands executed. If something fails, restart the app or reboot the device and make sure microphone permission is still enabled. Test with simple queries like "What's the weather?" to isolate problems. If errors persist, rerun voice match or switch language briefly. These steps often clear recognition issues without wiping other settings. Finally, keep the app updated to avoid recurring bugs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.